Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix SMART 8 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step we must open Settings application, where we tap on the second function SIM and network settings, and there data and security, and their second option data setting and data usage. Now we have big banner of set data plan. We press there and now we can manage our mobile data limits. First option, we can bind blink size for 1 month, 1 week or order. We can custom it, but we press 1 month. There we can, when our data start and end, it will be start with first day of each month and finish on the last day. Available data, but we can choose it only in megabyte. Remember that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, and we set maybe 6000 megabytes. There we can set usage data for maybe 10,000 megabytes, and there we can set when we get warming, when we use maybe 17% of our data. And there in this option we can press there and we can set that we only get notification about our usage, or we can get notification and our data will be turned off. To confirm all, we click done and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.